Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 solutions in this two-way lookup problem. So this is the example. We have several companies here and certain expenses, and these are the amounts. And the user will be able to choose specific company and also specific expense, and then the amount will reflect here. So I have 4 cells for the 4 solutions, and let me remind you that we're not working on Office 365, so the XLOOKUP is not going to be shown in this video, but that could be a possible solution for this. So let me start with the first proposed solution, which is the index and match, of course. Now I'm writing the index, and it requires an array, which is the amount here, all the amounts of the possible answers, comma, the row number will be supplied with a match because this is a row. We're going to work with a company. So this is the lookup value, comma, the lookup array will be the list of the companies here, comma, we need exact match, but the default is blank, which is also exact match. We're going to leave it blank, close the match, and comma, we need another match here for the column, and now the lookup value will be the expense, comma, the lookup array will be here, all the expenses here, comma, again we need exact match, leave it blank, close the match, close the index, enter, and that's it. Let me check it. This is B and PIT, this is the amount, and that's correct here. Now I'm going to change it, C and then P, and that's okay. Now the next solution is the VLOOKUP. So I'm going to write VLOOKUP, and the lookup value now will be company because we're working vertically here, comma, the table array will be here, starting with the column of the company and up to accounting here, but you can include total, that's okay, comma, column index will be supplied with a match function. Now we're incorporating the expense here. The lookup value will be the expense, comma, the lookup array now will be here. This is the lookup array, starting with the table array of your VLOOKUP and cover all the expenses here, comma, we need exact match, leave it blank, close the match, comma, we need true or false, but the default is blank, which is also false, which is equal to exact match. So we're gonna leave it blank and close it, enter, and that's the same amount here. Let me check it again. Company C here, and that's correct. Now, if we use the VLOOKUP, we can also use the HLOOKUP, which is the reverse. So I'm going to use HLOOKUP for that. And the lookup value now will be the expense. We're working horizontally now, comma, the table array will start here, starting with the expenses, cover all the table, comma, the row index now will be supplied with a match. Now we're incorporating now the company, this is the lookup value, comma, the lookup array will be here, starting again with the table array of your age lookup and all the list of the companies here, comma, we need exact match, leave it blank, that's the default, which is exact match, and comma, again, true or false, we need false here, leave it blank, that's the default, close it, and enter. That's the same thing here. I'm gonna change it. Okay, company D here, and that's the amount, that's correct. Now the last solution will be offset and match. This problem can be solved by the offset and match. I'm gonna write offset here, and my reference will be here. So I can count the expenses and the companies here. This is the reference cell, comma. The rows will be supplied with the match. Now the row again will be the company. This is the lookup value. The lookup array here will be, I'm gonna go straight with the company list here. That's okay, comma. We need exact match, close it, comma. For the column, we need another match. And now we're working on the expense, comma, the lookup array will be here, and comma, we need exact match again, close it. We do not need height and width, that's optional here, close the offset and enter, and that's it. That's the same thing. Now I'm gonna change it, check it, and here it is, that's the same amount. And that's it here. I'm finished here. I'm done. If you're liking my videos, you can subscribe in my channel and see you next time and thanks.